I'm Christy. I am the chair of an event called Creative Harvest, which we run here in West Gippsland. Working with Anthony and Online is Easy has been a wonderful transition for Creative Harvest because I really wanted to find a one-stop solution that we could get all of our files that sit on different computers into one space. And so we engaged Online is Easy to help us with our Google Workspace setup. Well, one of the things once we went onto the Google Workspace was several of our volunteers needed some training in how to actually operationally use the Google Workspace for Creative Harvest.
I always with anything to do with computers, I have this initial fear that I really don't want to do it. But the imperative is definitely there, and doing it as a group and with Anthony and a method, I've found that I've passed that threshold and I can see there's a system and I can see there's assistance.
I engaged Anthony to help us develop a skills-based workshop for our volunteers to come in and learn.
There was a lot of basic stuff which I certainly appreciated, but too, it introduced us to a deeper understanding of how to operate the system.
I do feel that the manner in which Anthony worked together and presented the material was very helpful.
I found it really good actually. I was very nervous, not knowing what to expect, but I found it overall it was very informative.
I would definitely say contact them and book them to train your organisation because it's definitely necessary. Life has to become online. It is online for lots of organisations and it's the only way to do business.
I want to come back and do a one-on-one with Anthony and really get down to exactly how I operate the system with what I need to do.
I think one of the most special things about engaging Online is Easy and Anthony is the fact that they're so personable and they're really willing to sort of stick with us to work through those harder details and any questions that we have. And so it's just been an absolute pleasure and delight to work with them.